Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. You lost the job, the person you loved left, you got the diagnosis, the news, the call. It wasn't fair, it wasn't what you wanted, it wasn't part of your plan. And yet the Stoics whisper something radical. Don't just accept this, love this. Today we explore one of the most powerful and poetic Stoic ideas. Amor Fati, the love of fate. Not just tolerance, not just endurance, but falling in love with life exactly as it is, every twist, turn, and tear. Let's begin. Part 1. What is Amor Fati? In Latin, Amor Fati means love of one's fate. It doesn't mean you enjoy pain. It means you recognize that everything life gives you is part of your path, your test, your teaching, your becoming. Nietzsche said it best, my formula for greatness in a human being is Amor Fati, that one wants nothing to be different, not forward, not backward, not for all eternity. The Stoic version? Marcus Aurelius, a blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it. That's you. That's Amor Fati. Part 2. Amor Fati is not passive. Some confuse Amor Fati with giving up, just letting things happen without action. But that's not it. Amor Fati means act with all your heart, then love whatever comes next. Even if it's not what you planned, even if it breaks your heart, even if it makes no sense. Yet, why? Because the Stoic knows, life doesn't happen to you. It happens for your growth. Part 3. What loving your fate actually looks like. When you're rejected, you say, good, this is not my door, another will open, I trust this redirection. When you lose someone, you say, how lucky I was to have loved them at all. Now I will carry their light in how I live. When plans fall apart, you say, so this is the real path. The one I didn't choose, but the one that was meant for me. This isn't naivety, this is spiritual courage. Part 4. How to practice Amor Fati, step by step. 1. Catch yourself resisting reality. When something goes wrong, notice your reaction. This shouldn't have happened. Why me? This ruins everything. Stop. Breathe. Say instead, this is part of it. I don't have to like it, but I will learn to love it. 2. Ask, what is this trying to teach me? Every event, good or bad, contains a lesson. It may teach you patience, humility, detachment, strength. Ask, what is life giving me through this experience? Suddenly, you're not the victim, you're the student. 3. Write it into your journal. Each day, write, what happened today that I resisted? How can I love it instead of fighting it? Let the page become your practice ground. 4. Visualize loving every outcome. In the morning, say, whatever happens today, I will love it, because I trust it is shaping me. Even the hard stuff, even the silence, even the delay, because Amor Fati isn't conditional, it's complete. Part 5. Stoic quotes to carry the fire. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Marcus Aurelius. Do not seek for things to happen as you wish, but wish for things to happen as they do. Epictetus. Fate leads the willing and drags the unwilling. Seneca. Don't be dragged. Be willing. Be on fire. Part 6. Amor Fati is not loving the easy. Anyone can love. A good day. A compliment. A win. But the Stoic asks, can you love the loss? The setback? The silence? Can you turn sorrow into strength? Pain into poetry? Obstacles into openings? That's Amor Fati. Conclusion. Fall in love with all of it. You don't need to wait for life to be perfect, because it never will be. You just need to stop resisting what already is and say, yes, this too. I welcome this. I will work with this. I will love this. Let that be your prayer. Let that be your power. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this video helped you shift from resistance to reverence, like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning to love what life gives them. And until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.